right, let's do Q5. Okay, as always, we have our rule strategy. All right, our procedural, conceptual, accuracy laps. So Q5, Mr. Kohlrengel needs 10 1/4 feet of butcher paper to make a number line. He has one piece that is 5 3/4 feet and another piece that is 2 1/2 feet. How many more feet of paper does Mr. Kohlrengel need to complete her bulletin board? Okay, well, we'll cross off the R because we read the word problem. Now let's underline the specific question or highlight it. How many more feet of paper does Mr. Kohlrengel need to complete her bulletin board? Okay, so how many more feet of paper does Mr. Kohlrengel need to complete the bulletin board? All right, so now we've underlined the specific question. Okay, now we're going to label. So let's circle all the numbers: 10 1/4, 5 3/4, 2 1/2. All right, the measurement is in feet. Okay. So how many more? This is a key word, many more. All right. To complete the bulletin board. When we see many more, y'all, we know that we're gonna do subtraction. We're gonna subtract. All right. So now that we've labeled, we circle our numbers, we box a couple of key words. Now we're gonna evaluate. Okay. So we have 10 1/4, 5 3/4, 2 1/2. So how many more feet of bulletin? So I need 10 1/4. I have 5 3/4 and 2 1/2. So let's combine these. 2 1/2 plus 5 3/4. All right. The first thing we need to do is need to find a common denominator. Okay. So find a common denominator. Find the CD, the common denominator. Okay. Find the common denominator. All right. So we know that we have 1/2 and 3/4. We know that 4 and 2 have a common denominator of 4 when we multiply the 2 by 2. So we're going to do 2 2/4 plus 5 3/4. Okay. So we're going to add these up. The 2 plus the 5 equals 7. Okay. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 4. Well, we don't add the denominator. The denominator stay the same. So we have 7 5/4. This is a mixed number. We can write this as a, proper fraction by taking out 4 out of 4. So let's subtract 4 over 4, and that's going to give us, we'll take out 4 over 4 and we'll make it as a whole. That gives 8 1/4. Okay. So when we take out the 1 and move it over to the whole part, we get 8 1/4. Okay, because 5 minus 4 is 1. The denominator stays the same. After we take it out, we put it over here, and we add it to the 7 to get 8. Now, let me scoot up a little bit. Now, we subtract 10 1/4 minus 8 1/4. So 10 1/4 minus 8 1/4 equals 2. All right. So Mr. Kohlrengel will need 2 more feet because this will cancel out and this will cancel out. So it's just 10 minus 8, which is 2. So class, the answer is 2 feet. Okay. We evaluated here. Okay, this is our evaluation step. We added and then we subtracted, okay? And then we subtracted, then we solved the problem and found the correct answer. All right? Hope this video helps, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you.